हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल अपना कक्षा। तो आज की इस वीडियो में हम साइंस का चैप्टर 9 वाटर एज अ रिसोर्स देखेंगे। तो चलिए देखते हैं, जो कि क्लास 3 के बच्चों के लिए है। ये फिगर बहुत हार्ड है, मेरे से नहीं बनता। ये रहा, ये टिक क्रॉस करने वाला था जो कि मैंने पहले से कर लिया। और ये हम आ गए एक्सरसाइज में। तो आ गए हमारे एक्सरसाइज में। तो चलिए एक्सरसाइज स्टार्ट करते हैं ए से। ऑब्वियसली ए से ही स्टार्ट होगा। टिक द करेक्ट आंसर। टिक द करेक्ट आंसर। Which of the following is solid form of water? Option A, ice. In how many forms does water exist? Number C, 3. Which of the following is a way to save water? B, taking a shower instead of using water in a bucket. During which of the following processes does the water vapor change into water droplets? A, condensation. 5. What is filtration? B, separating insoluble particles from a liquid. Number B. क्या है नंबर बी में? Fill in the blanks. 1. Water vapor is the dash form of water. Water vapor is gaseous form of water. Water on the surface of the earth is heated by dash. Water on the surface of the earth is heated by sun. During chlorination, dash tablets are added to water to kill germs. Chlorine. 4. Water droplets join together to form dash. Water droplets join together to form clouds. In cold places, water droplets come down as dash. In cold places, water droplets come down as snow. C. State whether following statements are true or false. तो नंबर सी में हमें ट्रू और फॉल्स करना है। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। 1. Ice melt to form liquid water. True. 2. Number 2. We should never turn off a tap. False. 3. Water is not wasted by leaking tap. False. 4. Water can be changed into ice at any temperature. False. Condensation is a process by which water changes into water vapor. False. D. तो नंबर डी में मैच होता है। तो चलिए मैच करते हैं। 1. Clean water. Water purifier means 1B. 2. Solid form of water. A. Ice. 2A. Ice. 3. Gaseous form of water. Steam. 3D. Precipitation. Rain. 4C. F है answer the following question in one. E करना था पहले. Give reason for the following statements. 1. We should not throw waste in the river. तो चलिए इसका आंसर देखते हैं। तो ये रहा आंसर। We should not throw waste in the river because it makes the water dirty and causes water pollution. Question number 2. Water needs to be purified before drinking. तो इसका आंसर है Water needs to be purified before drinking because it can have impurities or germs which can cause disease. यहाँ क्वेश्चन नंबर एफ में हमें वन वर्ड में आंसर देने हैं, हेडिंग भी है। आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन इन वन वर्ड. Number 1. What is formed when water droplets in the atmosphere cool down and combine? Answer: clouds. What is the complete process of change of water from one to another in nature called? Water cycle. Name a process by which we can purify water at home for drinking. Boiling. तो जी में हमें आंसर देना है. Answer the following question in brief. Arrange condensation, precipitation and evaporation in the correct order as they occur by drawing the water cycle. ये है वाटर साइकिल का ड्राइंग. ये रहा. ये ड्राइंग है 4 सोर्सेस ऑफ वाटर का. ये वाला मैंने पॉन्ड बनाया था, लेक बनाया है, वेल बनाया है और रेन वाटर. तो ये है क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 का आंसर. आप क्वेश्चन वापस से पढ़ सकते हो. आंसर एवेपोरेशन, उसके बाद आता है कंडेंसेशन, उसके नेक्स्ट ये एरो है इसलिए ताकि वो उसके बाद आता है, इसलिए कंडेंसेशन के बाद आता है प्रेसिपिटेशन. और are arranged in the correct order as they occur. 2. What is the difference between evaporation and condensation? Evaporation, condensation. चलिए difference between देखते हैं. Evaporation का क्या है? The process of changing of water into water vapor is called evaporation. Condensation. The process of cooling of water vapor to form water droplets is called condensation. 3. Why is water essential for us? Water is essential for us as human body is made up of 70% of water, and most of the process which is required for our survival takes place in water medium, and it is also called required for other purpose. H. Answer the following question in detail. Write some ways in which you can save water. Answer. Some ways in which we can save water are: A. By turning off tap after use. B. By using bucket and mug for bathing. C. By keeping the tap closed while brushing our teeth. Number 2. Describe the 3 forms of water. Also state how one form can be changed to other form. Answer. The 3 forms of water are: A. Solid. As change to solid liquid by melting. B. Liquid. Water changes to water vapor by evaporation. Gas. Water vapor changes into liquid by condensation. 3. What causes water pollution? इसका आंसर है water pollution can be caused due to an oil spill, throwing of industrial wastes. 3. Using pesticides. Number 4. Washing clothes and utensils in water bodies. Number 5. B मतलब 5 है, ये रोमन नंबर है, बस ये मैंने नहीं लिखा रोमन नंबर. Bathing animal in the water bodies. तो इसी के साथ हमारा साइंस का चैप्टर 9 वाटर एज अ रिसोर्स कंप्लीट है. तो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय.